this is Casey Fortune at Fortune Realty, and welcome to the west side of Colorado Springs. Life over here just feels a little bit different.
The west side tends to attract a diverse mix of residents, including families, retirees, and young professionals. There's a laid-back, welcoming vibe that emphasizes connection with neighbors, local businesses, and the surrounding environment. This area is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts, offering miles of hiking and biking trails that cater to all skill levels.
To the north, this borders the Air Force Academy.
Let's use Google Earth here to get a better idea of where we are at. You can see right here, I-25 runs north and south. That's what separates everything from the east side of Colorado Springs to the west side of Colorado Springs. Starting up north, you have the Air Force Academy. We are right here in this whole area, can be called the Rockrimmon area. And the two subdivisions that you're seeing in the drone footage is Mountain Shadows and the Peregrine subdivision. Peregrine is where you'll see a lot of the luxury homes at. Of course, you've seen some footage from Garden of the Gods. And at the end of this video, you're going to see a video pop up on Old Colorado City you can check out. And this footage will give you a great idea of what it looks like, how the mountains just explodes out of the ground on the far west side, leading all the way up to Pikes Peak.
Another thing about the west side, and this is just my opinion, versus the east side, I feel like they get more moisture on the west side and it's a little more green over here. Now, one catch in the winter time with the mountain being to your west, the sun does go down a little bit earlier. If you're on the east side, they can get about an hour more of sunlight for each day in the winter time. You can see the old mining scar up on the mountain. So that's covered in fabric to get some grass to grow.
Check out the description below for everything you need to know, including details on school districts, current homes for sale, and much more.
Look at the clouds rolling in over there. It's just about to rain. I'm probably about to get struck by lightning, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. If you found any value in this video, please like, subscribe. Check out the next video that's gonna pop up here that has even more information on the west side of Colorado Springs. I love to get those calls when somebody says, I just finished watching your video. Do you have time for some questions? Absolutely. So if that's you, feel free to call, text, email. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.